Hello, everyone. I'm Noble Ackerson. I'm with Silica Labs, actually officially today. Silica Labs is based out of DC, and we build software for wearable computers. I'm actually going to try something a little different from what you guys have seen so far. I'm actually going to try to have a casual, conversational presentation. It's not because I didn't prepare any slides. It's just because I want to keep people, keep switching it up and everything. Well, like I said, we're based out of DC, and we build apps for Google Glass, for Sony smartwatches, and eventually other wearable technologies that are easy to develop for RESTful. I'm also not going to talk too much about Google Glass because by now I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of Google Glass. It is a wearable PC. I sort of look at it as a complement to my cell phone, as my tablet, for example, would be to my laptop. So, as humans, I guess, we've always sort of wanted to get more information about our environment in order to better ourselves. Cavemen sort of listened out for that roar and decided, nah, it's probably not where I want to go. We built tools like radios in order to get more information. And more, we're demanding more information right there and right now. And actually, that's what Silica Labs wants to do. We want, with the advent of wearable technology, to build dynamic, as close to instantaneous applications as we can get. And by that, I mean just relevant information when you want it, at the time that you need it, and out of the way when you don't need it. A little bit about me. I used to be a services consultant. I owned my own company since 2005. But on the side, I actually really died. I really wanted to build software applications. So with the advent of Google Glass, I decided I'm just going to take a leap of faith and start building apps. I'm a fitness guy. I look pretty good for a fitness guy. So I decided I'd go with my low-hanging fruit, which is fitness and healthcare, because I'm very concerned about that. So I built GlassFit. And the proof of concept today can be found at glassfit.org. If you have Google Glass, I encourage you to check it out. Just with a click and an authentication into the cloud, you'd be able to see a welcome card right there on your screen, and you'll be guided through a set of workouts seamlessly, being told what's coming next, and it's great. I don't know how many people out here, by show of hands, have ever worked out with a cell phone app, like an iPhone app off the App Store or something. That's pretty good. One thing I challenge you to do is to try Russian twists with your iPhone, with that medicine ball in your hand. It's impossible. The reason why I mentioned what our ancestors tried to do is because of that. We want to be able to curate or get relevant information at a time, and that's why I think Google Glass and well-developed apps by my firm will actually help revolutionize that. A lot of people have asked me since I've been here, so why do I need Google Glass? It's like because you will find an app that you find interesting. If you're a foodie, you will find cooking apps that you can use hands-free by voice. If you're like me and you're a fitness nut, I like to run. And I don't want to run and then plug in my Garmin GPS device when I get home. After my first mile, I want to be informed as to how my heart rate, what zone I've been running in, and I want that information piped right through to my Glass device. And that's what we're building over at Silica Labs. Also at Silica Labs, we're also nurturing the hunger for information. We're actually building software to satisfy that need for constant information. So we have a platform called Simple Wing. We deploy that for National Geographic. We're bringing immersive, beautiful media, pictures taken all over the world, and presenting them right when you schedule them to right there on within your peripheral. So if you wake up and you're having your coffee and you want to see what an orca looks like, maybe that might be the picture of the day. And a little bit more information about that, relevant information. So again, an unusual presentation, but I want to definitely keep it short. And if you can catch me, I will be around somewhere trying to give you presentations of GlassFit. GlassFit right now is not just glass related, because what we're doing differently from that iPhone app or that Android app that you see on that app store is that we're actually trying to, I recognize that Google Glass isn't the only piece of wearable information, wearable technology out there. Google Glass is just a visual interface that can present other, and can interface with other wearable technologies. So what we're working on, and the patents pending, is wearable to wearable technologies. I'm actually trying to get that Fitbit data right there to your glass, that heart rate monitor data right there to your glass. We're doing it a little differently. And we hope that you will join in for the ride, because I really believe strongly in this medium, and that's why I decided to quit my job and jump full force with Silica Labs and make this dream a reality. Thank you.